Microphone not working in Messenger app on iPhone fix. Now, if you've been trying to send a voice message on Messenger to your friends or family, maybe you're trying to place a video call or audio call, but then they report that they're not able to hear you, it means that you're having issues with your microphone. Now for this, what you want to do is, it's a very simple and easy but also tricky at the same time to fix this. Simply open up settings on your iPhone, scroll down to the apps section. Once you scroll to the apps section, what you want to do is simply search for the Messenger application. The reason why you're not being able to solve the microphone issue is because Messenger app is lacking currently the microphone access. So sometimes your iPhone itself will not give the permission for security measures. So go to Messenger. Here, if you look at the top, one of those permissions will be microphone. You want to make sure that it is enabled. It could have been grayed out like this in your case. So you want to make sure to enable this and make sure that it's turned on green. Then once you've made sure of that, you can also simply try to check if your Messenger app is updated to the latest version from your app store. So simply go ahead and search for Messenger app, check if it has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it. Now you can simply, because you've allowed the permission, you can open the Messenger app and then you'll be able to fix any sort of issues. So this way you'll be able to fix if the microphone is not working on Messenger app on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.